No.
Enough so you have that comfort of that screw
Yeah.
and you want a screw that fits snug here.
Check it out. Fits right in there.
How much play is there in the screw?
Oh, just like a mil less, like shy of a mil all around. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, yes. Few more to go. Well, guys, there she is. Both sides. Let's get this thing clamped up and see if these two holes fit. Well, shit, guys. 2 screws in. Nice and snug, too. I actually have to screw them in. They don't just flop in there. I gotta screw the buggers in. You know? Check it out. Where's this fucking shit? What am I doing? There we go. Focus. There we go. Pull this bitch out. Yeah. There we go. So. Yes, man. All the way underneath. I'll do a better video later when it's all done. Fuck me. Alright, check it out. Got all the holes in. Alright. Slap one over here. What do we got? What do we got? Slap one there. Oh yeah! Boom! Look at how these fuckers are going in, man. That one's got to screw a little bit. But they're all inside that hole, though. That's badass. Check that shit out. Pretty fucking slick. Uh-huh. So, I got some things, you know, some tools. Where is this shit? This one? Yeah. So, check it out. So, see that bad boy right there? I'm going to use this to bevel those screws in. Get them sunken right in and flush with the blade. And I'll clean up the back side as well too, and we'll see how it looks like.